Alrighty, so we're talking about B cell activation and T cell activation, and we're going to introduce clonal selection a little bit into this slide. Anyway, let's start by talking about the activation here of helper T cells. The activated helper T cells then divide or proliferate, and they also activate the B cells. Remember in the earlier slide we said that helper T cells are the central regulatory element in humoral immunity. They are also the primary target of the AIDS virus. So if you hit the helper T cells in the AIDS virus, you're in big trouble. The inactive B cells start the activation process by binding to an antigen with their IgM molecules, engulfing it and processing it. The antigen peptides are displayed on the MH2 molecules on the cell surface, just like the macrophages do. Activated helper T cells interact with B cells that have the same antigen displayed on their surface. So the TCR, or the T cell receptor on the helper T cell, binds to the antigen displayed on the MHC2 on the surface of the B cell. The CD4 protein on the surface of the helper T cell is also necessary in this interaction. The helper T cells secrete cytokines which stimulate the B cells to proliferate and differentiate into plasma cells which secrete antibodies. This is called clonal selection. This is called clonal selection, and only those B cells with usable antibodies are selected to proliferate. Some descendants of the activated B cell become plasma cells, while others become memory cells. And memory cells stay present in the blood for long periods of time. The next time their specific antigen appears, the memory cells quickly start proliferating and differentiating into plasma cells. This provides a rapid response to a second appearance of the antigen.